Welcome. We'll be talking about some of the major national and international days celebrated from January to December. We'll be doing it month wise. So let's start with the month of January. We have three important days. First is the day for religious freedom, National Voters Day in India, and we have the Anti-Leprosy Day. So the first one, the Freedom Day, is celebrated on 16th of January. It's important, and we say that we are a secular nation, so we believe in the religious freedom. The next is the National Voters Day, which is celebrated on 25th of January. So that's again marking to India. So we have the National Voters Day. That's really important. The next one is the Anti-Leprosy Day, celebrated on 30th of January. Now anti-leprosy has been important because Mother Teresa had been working for the cause of leprosy in India, and it's also known as martyrdom of Mahatma Gandhi. So working around the issues of leprosy has been an important concern for India. The next is the month of February. The first one we have is the World Radio Day, celebrated on 13th of February. So that's really important for your examination perspective. Then we have the Dr. C.V. Raman's birthday, which is celebrated as National Science Day on 28th of February. Good, that's not a leap year, not 29, so 28, and that's how you can remember. So 28th of February, World Science Day, the birthday of Dr. C.V. Raman, on which we celebrate the National Science Day. Now here is something where you can remember the 2 days simultaneously. You have an handicapped person walking in the forest. So both of those in the month of March, 15th March celebrated as the World Handicap Day, and 21st March celebrated as the World Forest Day. And that's how you can correlate and remember the concepts. Coming on to the month of April, we again remember the two things together. First is the earth and the next is the health. So we have 22nd April as the World Earth Day and 7th April as the World Health Day. So health and earth working together, as you can see and as you can remember. So that's in the month of April. Next that we remember is very important, and that's in the month of May, which is celebrated as the birth of Dr. Durant, and that's the Red Cross Day celebration done on 8th of May. And then you have the Technology Day being celebrated on 11th of May. So and again in the month of May we have Red Cross, and again medical developments could be related to technology, so you can remember it as Red Cross Day and Technology Day, both in the month of May, that is being celebrated. No Tobacco Day is celebrated on 31st of May, and that's really important concerning to health issues, the science issues that come up. The next important thing is the Environment Day. In the month of June, we celebrate the World Environment Day by UNEP, the United Nations Environment Program based in Stockholm. So the idea is to save trees, protect trees. Then we have the International Yoga Day propounded by India, celebrated on 21st of June. So June again marks for yoga and environment, and that's something that you can remember very well. So International Yoga Day celebrated on 21st of June. The next important thing that we need to know is the month of July. Now in the month of July, first of all we are talking about the environment. So we are talking about preserving the trees. So it's Van Mahotsav celebrated in the first week of July. But when we are talking about preserving the trees, preserving the forest areas, who is the worst culprit for that? It's human beings. So it's again a population day. So 11th of July as the World Population Day, and first week of July as Van Mahotsav, population and environment working together. The next, in the month of August, you have 6th August as the Hiroshima Day. It was during this time that the atom bomb was dropped on Hiroshima and Nagasaki in Japan, and since that day we celebrate 6th August as the Hiroshima Day. Very important. Recent and developments in the field of education, we can say Malala Day celebrated on 12th of July. The idea is to bring in women into education, propounded by Malala Yousafzai. Again on 20th of August we celebrate the Mosquito Day, and that's basically where it was discovered that mosquito when infecting the blood causes malaria, and it was at that time realized to celebrate the awareness among the people. The next is the need for a day against the nuclear tests that have been done so far. So 29th of August is celebrated as an International Day against nuclear tests. So Malala Day, we have already talked about the women in education, but then what is really important is the Literacy Day in India. So we have 8th September celebrated as the Literacy Day. Moving on to the month of October, we have the blood donation starting on the 1st of October itself. So 1st October we talk about the blood donation day, and then we have the need for wildlife conservation and World Animal Day. So Wildlife Week is celebrated in the last week of your October, the first week of your October, and then you have the World Animal Day celebrated on 3rd of October. Again in the month of October you have the World Habitat Day, and this is celebrated on the first Monday of October. Since it's on the first Monday of October, it varies every year. So there is no one fixed day for your World Habitat Day. So all of those come in the month of October. Coming in, we have the World Food Day. That's again celebrated on 16th of October. That's again really important for you to remember. Coming on to the month of December, you have 1st December as the World's AIDS Day, and that's to spread the awareness against HIV. The next important thing is the Pollution Day. Now when we are talking about pollution, we are also concerned with conservation of the world. So pollution on 2nd and conserving on 3rd, and that's how you can remember. So spreading AIDS on 1st, that's spreading HIV on 1st, that's AIDS Day. On 2nd you have the pollution prevention, on 3rd you are talking about world conservation. So that's how we proceed for the month of December. A lot many for the month of December. On 10th December we are talking about Human Rights Day. So that's again important. Then we are talking about in India the National Energy Conservation Day, which is celebrated on 14th of December. Finally we have the Mathematics Day celebrated on 22nd December. Very important. Now this is in birth anniversary of Dr. Ramanujan, and therefore we have the National Mathematics Day celebration that's done. We have the Biodiversity Day and the Farmers Day. Now how can we remember this? Farmers Day, you understand that it's celebrated on 23rd of December, and 29th of December we have the Biodiversity Day that's celebrated. So farmers are important part of biodiversity. Maintaining the biodiversity, you need to have agriculture, you need to have greenery around you. So that's how you can correlate and remember both of those lying in the same month, one on 23rd, the other on 29th. And the last important one is the National Consumer Day along with the Good Governance Day. So two more important ones. So National Consumer Day on 24th of December, and 25th of December we have the Good Governance Day. And that's the end of this session. We'll be bringing in many such important topics for your static GK portion, which has been a request from a lot many students. So stay tuned. Have a wonderful day ahead.